Racing just is started. We have Sweet Julian. Break quick, let us start. Moving Torias at Altas Choice. Appraisal is in third. Moving up Donnelly inside is a Binigar, while Watulco is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Altas Choice takes command, rushing upon the inside is a Binigar. Then next online is Appraisal. Donnelly inside is a Sweet Julian, while Watulco is still racing in last. We have Binigar with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths. Altas Choice in second. Appraisal is racing in third, and in third Sweet Julian, while Watulco is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Binigar enjoying a length and a half lead. Altas Choice, Appraisal is still in third. Sweet Julian comes next, while Watulco is still racing in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. Altas Choice moving up on the outside. Binigar, Appraisal finds some opening down on the inside. Sweet Julian, Watulco. Last 100 meters, we have Altas Choice, Appraisal. Sweet Julian is on the outside. Altas Choice, Sweet Julian, Appraisal. And finally, Altas Choice, Sweet Julian, Appraisal, Watulco, Binigar.
2, 1, 5, and 4. Unofficial na dating natin dyan for race number 5. Numero 2, Altas Choice. Ridden by RG.